Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss poem 3 from grade 6 CBSE, and the name of the poem is The Quarrel by Eleanor Forgian. So it's a common scenario that we see, common situation that we see in every household. Brothers and sisters, they quarrel, they fight with each other sometimes for no reason. So often the fight begins over very small petty issues, and then because they're not sensible enough to understand, it does turn serious also. But let's see what happens here in this poem, where the poet happens to fight with his brother without any reason. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know why. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, which means modest, okay. The end of it was strong, intense. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Now here the poet happens to fight with his brother, and he doesn't know what's the reason. Why did they start fighting? But one argument led to another. It became so intense. They started to hit each other so hard that they both fell down. At the beginning, the fight was okay. It wasn't very serious. And later on, as they crossed all the lines, it became very intense, very serious. The poet's brother said that he was wrong. So he was right. The poet's brother was right. But the poet felt that he knew that his brother was wrong, and he was trying to prove himself right. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black, which means unpleasant. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." It was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now here what happened, it became so intense that they started to hate each other. They disliked each other, and they didn't like to talk to each other anymore. So the fight started in the afternoon, and it became very unpleasant. Became very intense, very serious. And then suddenly, the poet's brother, my brother means poet's brother, he hit the poet on the back and said, "Oh, come on, brother, let it be. We can't go on all night," as in we can't continue to exaggerate or pull the matter all through the night also. We've spent the day fighting. I acknowledge, I accept I was wrong, and that doesn't make me a small person. And when the poet heard about this, he was moved, his heart melted, and he realized that it's okay to say that I am wrong. And that made him realize that he was wrong. The poet was wrong. Only when his brother said that, okay, I was wrong. So that's all about the poem. In case you liked it, please like, share and subscribe.